Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted posts on Instagram. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is super useful to go and do, as you may accidentally delete the post or purposefully and now regret doing it. So let's get straight into it. First of all, go to your Instagram profile and go to the top right and click onto the three lines just like so. This will open up settings and activity. What you need to do now is click your activity at how you use Instagram section. Then all you need to do is go and click onto recently deleted down there. After that you can go and select posts in the top left and you can see them here. What you can do now is click on the post you want to recover. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and go and click on restore. As you can see now, if I go back to my Instagram profile, the post has been restored. So that's it. That is how to recover deleted posts on Instagram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.